and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be doing the next in the long-awaited build and decorate your dollhouse. But before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And recently, he has again started live streaming. We've been live streaming over on his channel practically the entire weekend. Make sure to go on over and subscribe to his channel and hit the bell. And of course, if you guys would like to see the past live streams, they will be up on his channel. And of course, they include me. And these streams, of course, are bilingual, so there's no reason for you not to go over and subscribe to his channel so you can be notified to see them. And you'll see me on them too. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Guys, we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down here. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And of course, guys, this is none other than the number 36. If you would like to see the previous 35, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the in cards. And of course, guys, this is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures, which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure to check out the playlist located in my channel. Here it says, a typical baby house. A typical Georgian baby house, which is what they called dollhouses in that era. You can see one there in a museum. It's really cool. And here on this page we have the different parts of that dollhouse. I personally really like the 5th room in the middle with the canopy bed. And down here it tells you in detail what each of the rooms are for. And here it talks about the garden furniture that they would have. This is really pretty. And over here it talks a bit more about their garden furniture. I really love this little table here. Looks really nice. It kind of reminds me of the little table at your mom's house, hon.
Yeah.
It's so crazy to think that even to this day we have things that maybe they made a long time ago, but we still have use for them. Like this little table, the little garden table.
Yeah.
And well, over here, it shows you how to connect the new paper that we got to the new wooden piece that we got in this number. And down here, it walks you through how to connect all the pieces, how to connect the paper. And as I always say in all of these numbers, I will walk you through how to do each of these steps once we have the complete collection, and we'll build the dollhouse together. I'm really excited about it, and I know you guys are too, because I know I lost my mind asked me last night in the live stream of my husband over on his channel, which is CosasParaTener. If you're interested, make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. He asked when the next dollhouse was coming out, and well, here it is.
I wonder how many parts it will be to build the entire dollhouse once you have the complete collection. How many videos will it take to build it?
Yeah, I know, it's very long, but that just means that the dollhouse will be very complete and nothing will be left out.
No, it's going to be cool, but I mean it's going to take some time. I guess more than one day, or not?
Yeah.
Building it.
Yeah, maybe a week, I would imagine, or two, depending.
Yeah, because some things also will have to dry with glue and everything.
Yeah,
right?
and then you'll have to paint them. But well, I want to tell you guys, here it talks about arts and crafts and how during the Victorian age, the practice of doing arts and crafts started to really pick up in the Victorian age for the upper and middle classes. And here it talks about some more of the arts and crafts that they would do. Like, look at this. This is really nice. All the inlays. And here it talks about the Morris chair, which you can see there. It looks really pretty with all the flowers and this really nice wood. And here it talks about William Morris. A little bio about him. And well guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse there. And well, let's flip this back over. And well guys, now it's time to see the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. We have this big Frankenwood piece, which you can see there. It's very firm. As I said before guys, I can't wait to build this with you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. Well, I'm going to show you guys now the paper, which looks really cool. Let me just put this down here and pick this up. So on this side, you can see a very realistic wooden grain. It looks really cool. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. What do you think, honey?
It's cool, and it's wood paper, plastic file, kind of thick.
It's very thick. And then on the other side is just white, because we're going to, of course, glue this down to this bottom here later on once we have the entire collection. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman whose channel is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and as I said before guys, he recently started doing live streams which are bilingual and include yours truly. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him and make sure to hit the bell so YouTube will notify you whenever he posts something new or starts a new live stream. I will have his links as always down in the description below and in the end cards at the end of the video. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.